What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect your Word document, Excel document, or PowerPoint. If you think this video will be helpful, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So first thing we need to do, we need to create a Word document, or if we have one already, we need to open it up. And in here, for example, you have very important or very confidential information that nobody can see it. So what we need to do here, we need to click on File, and then we need to click on Info. And in here, you will see Protect Document. Once you click on it, you need to click on Encrypt with Password. Once you click on it, you'll get this message. So right here, you'll have to enter your password, the one that you're going to use to access this document. Make sure you don't lose it, because otherwise you won't be able to recover it. So just type your password here and then enter, and then you'll have to type it again and then enter one more time, and that's it, it's done. Now you can go back, you can click on save, and you can close it. So next time when you're gonna double click on this document, you're gonna get this message. And for example, if you don't know your password and then you just click OK, this is the message is going to appear. The password is incorrect. Word cannot be opened. And that's it. You won't be able to see anything. So let's give it a try again. Once you type your correct password, you can access your document. And it's basically the same process for Excel and PowerPoint, but I'll show you anyways. So if you click on Start and open Excel, here we're just going to open blank workbook. And for example, you enter all the data that you need, and then you go back on Files, you click on Info, and same thing right here, password your workbook, and then click on Encrypt with Password. And it's exactly the same process for PowerPoint. Let's say you create a PowerPoint, and then you go to Files, Info, same thing right here, Protect Presentation, and Encrypt with Password. Once again, if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.